Divya. Here I am teaching you about volvox algae. This is the member of chlorophyceae class. So this is systematic position, kingdom Plantae, division Chlorophyta, class Chlorophyceae, order Volvocales, family Volvocaceae, genus Volvox. Occurrence includes about 20 species, so all are aquatic and free floating. They mostly occur in freshwater bodies. It forms a beautiful green colored phytoplankton on the surface of water body. It occurs as green rolling balls of pinhead sized synovia. Vegetative structures. So we can see plant body is multicellular motile synovium, and the synovia of volvox are spherical, oval, or ellipsoidal in shape. Each shell is biflagellated and the alga rolls over the surface of water by the joint action of flagella. And the synovium of volvox is an assemblage of similar independent cells. Each cell performs its own function of nutrition, respiration, and excretion. So each cell has its own gelatinous sheath. It's connected with the sheath of other cell by a series of cytoplasmic strands called plasmodesmata. Reproduction. So asexual reproductions, this type of asexual reproduction occurs during growing seasons. So at maturity, few cells in posterior half are pushed back into hollow cavity, and cells withdraw their flagella and they increase in size and become round shaped. These reproductive cells are called gonidia, and the protoplasm of each gonidium divides by successive longitudinal division and forms daughter synovium. Sometimes young synovia are formed inside the young daughter synovia, so called granddaughter colonies. Sexual reproductions. So this type of sexual reproduction is known as oogamous type. Male sex organs antheridia, we can say androgonia also, and female sex organ oogonia, gynogonidia. So some species are monoecious and some are dioecious. Some cells at posterior half of synovium retract flagella, enlarge, and become gametangia. Male gametangium give rise to antheridium and female gametangium to oogonium. Antheridia and oogonia. Each antherozoid is uninucleate, biflagellate, and possesses a small chloroplast. The mass of antherozoids spermatozoids is released at maturity, and the protoplasm of female gametangium does not divide but metamorphosed into single non-flagellated green spherical egg or oosphere. The female gametangium is now called oogonium. At fertilization, so the antherozoids are attracted chemotactically towards oogonium. Only one antherozoid fuse with the egg from the side and the egg now become zygote. Zygote. So zygote secretes its own cell wall. It is three-layered: exospore, mesospore, and endospore. The zygote remains embedded inside the oogonium and tides over the unfavorable conditions. Finally, the parent colony decays and the zygote falls to the bottom of water bodies. Prior to germination, the diploid nucleus of zygote divides by meiosis, and zygote protoplasm metamorphoses into a zoospore. Zygote divides to form a hollow sphere of cells and produce a young synovium. So, this is a type of asexual reproductions life cycle. This type of asexual life cycle and sexual types and mold. Thank you.